Pins and Needles kits, and we are woohoo so excited. We have reached over 1,000 subscribers, and so to celebrate that, we are going to have a giveaway. So we've got some gifts here for you. We have a wedge ruler for Dresden and circular blocks. We have these super cool little button magnets. I love these guys. And then we also have this color tool. It's the ultimate 3-in-1 color tool, and it has 24 color cards, and it's just a really good way to help you with color selections with your fabric. And then this is a really great little caddy that you can put on your sewing table to hold all your scissors and different things like that. So we have that to give away, and in the comments we'll tell you exactly what you need to do to win these things. So be excited with us. We're very excited.